Hi folks, this is the Mobile DevOps update for September 29th, 2022. While I'm continuing to work on the Mobile DevOps project settings page, I thought I would take this opportunity to provide an update on another facet of this project, which is the content strategy. Historically, the Mobile DevOps content from GitLab has been limited to a few blog posts and some feature documentation. By providing more Mobile DevOps focused content, we will not only make it easier for mobile teams to find what they need, but we'll also provide more opportunities for folks to give feedback and contribute to the product. At a high level, there are three types of content that I focused on: feature documentation, blog content, and the Mobile DevOps documentation page. Feature documentation is the most straightforward. This would be documentation for any feature component that supports mobile DevOps, including things like project-level secure files, review apps for mobile, and the SaaS documentation for the mobile SaaS features. Next up is blog content. This content is a bit more tutorial focused at the moment, but I'd like to evolve it to cover a broader set of topics related to mobile DevOps, like industry trends and different process approaches. We've published a couple blog posts recently related to code signing, with another one going live next week. These posts are tagged in a way to make it easy to find all the mobile DevOps related content on the blog. And lastly, the Mobile DevOps documentation page. Today, this page contains references to a few pages of feature documentation, but I'll be expanding this with some content to support macOS shared runners and other features as they become available. We'll also add some links to the blog. This page is linked directly from the navigation to make it easy for folks to find. In terms of metrics, we can use some internal tools to see what content people are reading and track the engagement over time. Looking at a snapshot of activity from September, we can see that 202 new folks viewed the secure files documentation. The Mobile DevOps documentation page and blog posts have some traffic as well, but since those items were published this month, we don't have a full month's worth of activity yet. The last thing I'll cover today is feedback. To make it easier for folks to engage, I've created a feedback project that will be linked to the content items. This will encourage folks to provide feedback, suggestions, or bug reports on any feature or content related to mobile DevOps. That's all for today. The issue for this update is linked in the video description below and has links to everything I've covered here today. Thanks for watching.